Oh shit, we're rolling? Should have said something. I'm telling you, we need one of those fucking, yeah, whatever you fucking call them. Anyways, we're going to install a cabin air filter on the 2018 Honda Civic SI. I'm not like other people. I don't like getting a dick shoved up my ass at Honda dealerships just to change this, because they'll charge you 50, 75 bucks just to change a cabin air filter when you can get it at AutoZone for 13 bucks. Look at a fucking YouTube video like the one that you're about to watch and do it yourself. I mean, it saves you time, you're hands-on. Oh, by the way, if you're doing it by yourself, well, obviously by yourself, you're not gonna fucking need someone else to help you. I'm doing it at 12 in the morning, so I recommend getting a sick-ass flashlight. Now, I stole this from my cousin. He's asleep. He's a mechanic, so he has a bunch of these. And I probably might keep it. So I hope he doesn't watch this video, because shit's mine now, dog. You just pop open the glove box. You got a hinge right there and on this side. So you're gonna like pop it out. You have to do it both of them together. So just bear with me. Yeah, you got it. You got that right there. You pull it down, and you're gonna have to take this off. And this, you just pull this little, pull this one right off like that, and this one also. So just take that one, and then take this one off. It just falls right off, and the air filter is gonna be right here. So this is a new one I just put in. The other one was fucking disgusting, but I didn't want to get the K&N one for 50 bucks, so I just got this one at AutoZone for $13. So you get this piece, and then make sure that clicks. It clicks right there, and you just pop these back in just like that. Just lift it up. Boom! Just like that.